Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today we're going to be setting up the second week of January in my Hobonichi Cousin because as you can see, I have already set up the first week. I used the Celebrations collection. It's a 2-sheet sticker set that is perfect for a full week in the planner. There's also add-on stickers that you can get separately so you can stretch this out for 5 weeks in your planner. So I thought it'd be really fun to show you how I use the add-on stickers separate from the weekly kit. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm going to start by putting down all of the date covers first. Now you can see I actually have 4 weeks worth of date covers, and for the weekly kit I had date covers as well. So if there is a month that you have 5 weeks, you are able to have enough date covers, and it comes with tons and tons of boxes. So I like to set up my weekly view with all of my date covers and box stickers and then any washi strips that I have for the kit to get everything prepared for the week before it actually starts. That way I'm not scrambling to choose what stickers and what kits I'm actually going to use before I actually need to start planning, because I've found in the past that when the week comes and I don't have the stickers down, I will end up not actually writing in the planner until I put the stickers down. And sometimes that can actually be a couple of days. So I'm scrambling to fill in what I have done or what I need to get done. And that doesn't really work well when you are trying to plan out your week. So I like to have all of the stickers down first and get an idea of what I actually need to get done for the week before it actually happens. And that is so incredibly helpful. I didn't know how helpful it was until I went to a daily planner strictly for the first 6 months of 2021. Now, I just finished off the sidebar. I am using a little slice tool to cut the washi. I love this tool. I'll leave it linked down below. I believe they are out of the green version, but they do have a white version, and it looks like it's exactly the same. Now I'm just grabbing my sticker album to get a monthly header. I have a couple choices, however, I like the blue layered. I thought that that would go really well with the Celebrations collection since it does have pops of blue throughout the kits. Now the next thing I like to do is put down all of the quarter boxes. I like to put one at the top for each day of the week and then write in what my main focus for that day is. So some days I have orders to do, some days I do designing, and some days I actually give myself a day off. I mean, it is pretty rare, but I do like to have it scheduled, and that way I can relax for the day, rejuvenate, and get myself ready for the rest of the week. Okay, guys, I have a secret I need to tell you. My nails are the Impress nails. This is the first time I've actually ever tried them. I've always painted my nails. I saw someone doing a video with the Impress nails and I was like, oh my goodness, they look perfect. And ever since I have been doing all of the sticker cutting at home, I can't really have my nails painted as long as I'd like because sometimes the nail polish will come off on the stickers. So I thought that this was a perfect solution for it. Let me know down below if you guys could tell what you guys think, if it is good or not. Now, I don't know how long they're going to last since it is actually my first time using them, but they were super easy to put on and I actually really like the color. I'll leave a link down below to the actual set that I got. I just went with the pretty pale pink color at first, but they have so many other colors and really fun designs too. So I don't know if you guys think that they look good, definitely let me know down below. Now I'm just writing in all of the plans and things that I have scheduled for the week. This was one of the main things that I really missed about weekly planning. Now, since I was daily planning, I did still do this. However, I had to flip each page to see what I had scheduled for the week, and that's not a huge deal. However, my brain just works so nicely when I can see everything on one page. Now, I'm still going to continue daily planning, especially on days that I have a ton of things to do. but it feels so nice to be back in a weekly planner. So I absolutely adore the Hobonichi Cousin. It is one of my favorite planners to plan in. Now I'm just finishing off my sidebar, so I want to keep track of my Instagram posts this week. I also made 4 different sections to keep track of. So my to-do list, my projects, all of my designs for the week, and my to buy list. Now, I don't always buy something every week, but I like to have it here just to get it out of my brain and on paper. So that is a look at how I set up my weekly pages with all of the add-on sticker kits for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, maybe gave you a couple ideas on how to set up your own planner. Now, I wanted to give you guys a peek at how one of my weeks turns out with everything written in here. So you can see there is a mix of stickers and a lot of writing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!